which contains the clutch hub, clutch springs and clutch shoes. These parts use the centrifugal force generated from the running crankshaft to apply outward force to the sprocket. If the clutch assembly isn't spinning along the crankshaft properly, you'll lose motion on the sprocket and then your chain. You'll start to hear slight grinding or whining noises coming from the clutch area when these parts start to go. Worn or stuck brake. The chain brake attaches the front safety handle to the clutch. When you activate the chain brake, a spring engages a cable, which halts the forward movement of the clutch. If your sprocket and clutch seem frozen and won't spin, you should check the function of your brake spring, the lever and arm the spring uses to pivot on in the brake cable, which connects to the clutch. Frozen piston. If you've removed the clutch parts and checked that the brake isn't on, and your sprocket still won't budge, try spinning the crankshaft stub. If you can't get to the stub to spin, the chainsaw likely has a seized piston that's frozen in the cylinder.